it's a bombshell on proportions that I cannot describe. I had no idea this was going to happen when we were meeting yesterday. The primary basis for everything we discussed was the Hall interview. As I got into this, I was blown away. I've never seen anything like it in my career. It's the kind of stuff you read about happening in other states. As we speak, articles are being published based on FOIA requests that happened. I don't know when. And I'm just downloading and trying to digest this information. And it's appalling and incredible to me, Your Honor. And I asked that the court, on all three motions, dismiss this case. I ask if the court doesn't dismiss it, that it grants our alternative relief. But I will end by saying, Your Honor, we have done everything we can in this entire trial. We have done everything we can by the book. We have worked with the state's attorney's office, and we have been hit with discovery right before trial again and again and again, and this is the final blow. This is a sledgehammer. In November, we got information regarding newly investigated bug reports that weren't done prior to charging, right before trial. In February, we got hit with another discovery bomb when my brother was sitting there doing the hearing, when the court closed discovery, I believe, on March 4th. Then we get this interview on Friday. Now we get this investigative report that is an absolute bombshell, and I have never seen anything like it, at 7:09 a.m. on Monday, the week of trial, the day of trial. I have not been able to go through it in the depth I would like to. We were racing to get this done yesterday, and like I said, Your Honor, I'm absolutely appalled. I've seen nothing like this in my life in practicing law. I'm sitting here as we're doing jury selection, watching the news come down, front page, front page, front page, from Rob Port on this FOIA request. My guess is this report's about to go national, and it's not because of me. And I'm concerned about what other disclosures are out there. We got this because Rob Port did a FOIA request, and thank God he did it just in time. This is happening over and over again. It's becoming a course of practice, and it's absolutely blowing this case up. And Nicole's family has spent so much money and so much time on attorneys and travel, expert witnesses that are scheduled to come in this week. This is an absolute abortion of justice, Your Honor. And I don't like to get this way. I'm appalled. I've never seen anything like this. That's all I got.